Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel sugartechindia. Today I am going to tell you about a thermocouple. Here you can see a thermocouple which is K-type in my hand. A thermocouple works on the principle of Seebeck effect, which is the phenomena of generating a voltage when two dissimilar metals are joined at two different temperatures. This voltage are directly proportional to the temperature difference between the hot junction and the cold junction. Here a knowledgeable fact is that hot junction is the junction where the temperature is measured and the cold junction is the reference temperature. This voltage can be measured and used to determine the temperature at the hot junction point, which is your actual temperature on the field, or that is medium, which you want to know. Thank you friends. Click the subscribe button below if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching my video. Click the subscribe button below if you want to see more content like this.